Hello and welcome to Artistry Look Swap Fashion. This is a small video which will help you and guide you as to how you could view, inquire and buy products from Artistry via Pinterest.
कृपया वीडियो को अंत तक देखें. Please watch the video till the end.
As you see, a message with the different links of the particular categories would be sent to you.
आशा है आपको हमारा संग्रह पसंद आएगा. कृपया लाइक बटन और शेयर बटन दबाना न भूलें. Hope you will like our collection. Please don't forget to press like and share button.
If you're looking for saris, click on this particular link and open via Pinterest. As you see, there are different categories of saris that have been put up, which is an easy access for your pick. In case if you're looking for fancy saris, just click on the fancy saris available here. You could scroll and see our collection that has been put up. If this is a particular sari that you like, just click on it. You could see all the details are available, including the price. You could zoom into the product to see the details. If this is the sari that you would like to buy from us, you could send the link to us through WhatsApp. Click on WhatsApp and send the pin. This is one way of doing so. The other way is, I will just show it to you right now. In case if you're looking for accessories, just click on the link, open via Pinterest. Don't forget to follow over here, as once you follow, you will receive all the updates from our side. In case you're looking for choker necklace sets, click on that. You could see the varied collections that have been put up. Just make sure whichever piece that you select, the Artistry icon that is available, that you can see out here, is marked there. Just in case if you scroll down, you can see more like this. It is not necessary that the products that have been displayed out here are available on Artistry. So make sure the Artistry icon is visible when you're looking for something, and the link that you send to us has the Artistry icon on it. So if there is a particular piece that interests you, just click on the image, hold it, and you can see the WhatsApp icon appear. Click on that and it will copy the link automatically, and you can send it to us this way. Thank you and happy shopping with Artistry Look Swap Fashion.
आशा है आपको हमारा संग्रह पसंद आएगा. कृपया लाइक बटन और शेयर बटन दबाना न भूलें. Hope you will like our collection. Please don't forget to press like and share button.